Are your lip blackheads refusing to go away, no matter what you try? You might be making some crucial mistakes that are actually making things worse. In this video, I'll expose the most common lip blackhead removal mistakes and show you the right way to care for your lips so you can finally get rid of them for good. And if you want more skincare tips like this, make sure to subscribe, because our next video will cover overnight remedies to clear lip blackheads fast. 1. Over-exfoliating your lips. Exfoliation is great for clearing dead skin cells, but doing it too much can irritate your lips and cause more blackheads. Your lips have delicate skin, and scrubbing aggressively strips away natural oils, making them overcompensate by producing more oil, leading to clogged pores. How to fix? Stick to exfoliating just 1 to 2 times a week with a gentle lip scrub like the Honey Sugar Lip Scrub, which removes dead skin without irritation. You can find the product in the description below. 2. Popping lip blackheads. It's tempting, but squeezing lip blackheads can push bacteria deeper into your skin, causing infections, swelling, or even scarring. How to fix? Instead of picking at them, use a blackhead dissolving treatment like Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant. It penetrates deep into your pores to unclog them without damaging your skin. Check the link in the description to get yours. 3. Using the wrong products. Many people use harsh acne treatments meant for the face on their lips, which can be too drying or irritating. On the flip side, some lip balms contain pore-clogging ingredients like petroleum jelly or coconut oil, which can make blackheads worse. How to fix? Look for non-comedogenic lip balms like Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. It hydrates without clogging your pores. I've linked the best one for you in the description below. 4. Not cleansing properly. Washing your lips with regular face wash or not cleansing them at all can leave behind dirt, oils, and leftover makeup that contribute to blackheads. How to fix? Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser like CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser to keep your lips clean without irritation. You'll find the best one in the description. Now, which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, our next video will cover overnight remedies to clear lip blackheads fast, so make sure you're subscribed to catch it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it.